Namaste dear students. Today I am going to take Pratyaya topic. In the previous video I have explained about in Krit Pratyaya. In that one Tvayat Pratyaya and Anyar Pratyaya I have already explained that one. Now I am going to explain you about Taddhita Pratyaya. In that one Matu Pratyaya, Thak Pratyaya, Tava Pratyaya and Tal Pratyaya. So there is a major difference between the Krit Pratyaya and Taddhita Pratyaya is Krit Pratyaya we are adding with the Dhatu and Taddhita Pratyaya we are adding with Shabda. So Tadit Pratyaya we are adding with Shabd means with the word we are adding, and the Krit Pratyaya we are adding with Dhatu. Dhatu is in the sense verb. Okay. So in Tadit Pratyaya we are starting here. In Tadit Pratyaya in your syllabus there are four Pratyayas are there. First one is Matup, Thak, Tal and Tva. So first one I am going to take that Matup Pratyaya. So in Matup Pratyaya two things will left here. One is mat and one is vat. So I'm taking here simple example. One is simply if we are saying when we are saying it, the word is Shakti, man word we are using here, and here we are using Dhan, Van. So one thing we are understanding that is if ending letter is a, simple thing I'm telling here, if ending letter is a, then from the matup what will left. If ending letter is not a, if not a, then from the matu pratyaya mat will left. And if ending letter is not swara and second last letter, if second last letter is a or a, then also in that case also matup will left only vat. So I hope you understand this one. First thing I just explained here, we are using in this one pulling, striling, and napunsakling. That is what in the matu pratyaya two things will left. Which one is mat and vat? So in the pulling we are writing here man. In the striling we are writing here mati, and napunsakling we are writing here mat. Here also same thing van, vati, and vat. Some example we will see here, like if I'm saying here the word is dhan plus matup, the word will be dhanvan, dhanvati and dhanvat. If I'm taking word is shakti plus matup, then shaktiman, shaktimati and shakti mat. If I'm taking the word is saras, so ending letter here a, and here matup we are taking here second last letter is a, so saras van, saraswati and sarasvat. So these all word we are using in this one. Some more example we will see. For example, if ending letter we are saying here a, like kriya plus matup, in that case also it will be kriya van, kriya vati and here kriya vat. So these all word we are taking here. If the word is ending letter, if the word is ending letter we are saying here atmana, atman plus matup. So also we can write here Atma, Van, Atma, Vati, and Atma, Vat. So these all word we are taking here. And Man, Mati, Mat we are taking with where the word will not ending with, oh sorry, but the when the word will ending with except the or only the here. So these all word are there in this one. Now next word we are taking here, the word is, the pratyaya is Thak Pratyaya. So in the Thak Pratyaya there's the some different thing will left in that one. In Thak Pratyaya that will become ik, and the first letter of the word, for the first letter in the sentence or the second letter in the word, that will become word. For example, if we are saying here Samaj plus Thak, so this word, this letter will become big. So sa ma jik, samajik. Here also pulling, striling, napunsakling we are saying samajikah, samajika, samajikam, like that we are using in this one. And if e is there, if ending letter is e or e, then that will become a or I, a or I. Example we are saying, for example, Vijjan plus tak, that will become Vaijanik. If the word is u or u, that will become au. For example, Buddhi plus thak, that will become Baudhik. So this was the Thak Pratyaya. In this Thak Pratyaya, there are not many examples are there. Only the things you need to understand that in the Thak Pratyaya, ik will left, and that first letter will become in these all. If A will be there, then A will be A only. In that one, there is nothing will change in that one. If A will be there, if only the A letter will be there, that will become A. And that word will become Visheshan. Visheshan means that word will become adjective of that particular word. So in this Tak Pratyaya, that much only. In the next one, we have Tal Pratyaya and Twa Pratyaya. In Tal Pratyaya, only the Ta will left. In Twa Pratyaya, it will become Tvam. That not for you. Tvam, you, Vam, that were not that this one. One example only I will take here, that by that you will understand. Like for example, I am saying here Manushya. If I am saying the example here, Manushya, and I am here adding with the Tal and Tvam also, that will become Manushyata, and here Manushyatvam. Manushyatvam. So this was the example for Tal and Twa Pratyaya. If example I am taking, the word is Kushal. Kushal word if I am taking here, and I am adding here Mat, Tal and Tav. So this will become Kushalta, and here it will become Kushal, Kushaltvam, Kushalatvam. These word will become. So I hope these all things you all understand. Now, next one I'm taking in this video, I'm explaining about the Strī Pratyaya. So Strī Pratyaya, there are two Pratyaya only, that one is Tap Pratyaya and Anip Pratyaya. So in Tap Pratyaya, only the A will left, and Nip Pratyaya, Badi will come. This means the pulling word will change into Striling. Here we are using for that one only. If I'm saying the word is Aj plus Tap, that will become Aja. And if I'm saying here Dev plus Nip, so that will become Devi. So the first that pulling word will become Striling word. In this one, we are not doing more thing, and you need to understand only one thing, that in the Tap Pratyaya, A will left, in the Nip Pratyaya, E will left. So these are the Pratyaya. Entire Pratyaya already I have entire Pratyaya I have explained. Before that, I have explained that in from the Krit Pratyaya, this one Tvayat Pratyaya and Aniyar Pratyaya I have explained. So you can go through that video and you will understand that one. So I hope you like the video, and it will be for useful for you, so you can share with your friends, and you can like my channel, you can subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. For the further videos, I will be making all the videos, and for all the chapters I will make this video, and also I will give you entire chapters, single word meaning, along with that whatever the grammar will be there, everything I will going to explain you all. So thank you so much till watching here. I hope you understand. See you in next video.